Hello everyone, welcome back to 𝙤𝙤𝙪𝙖𝙬𝙪 Chinese. I'm Lucy Gloria. Today let's talk about some basic Cantonese personal pronouns in Cantonese. Number 1, I or me. 我 I or me. For example, 我食緊飯啊，我食緊飯啊，我 I 食緊 eating 飯，我食緊飯啊 I'm eating. Number 2, 我阿媽打俾我，我阿媽打俾我，我阿媽 my mom 打 call 俾 to 我阿媽打俾我 My mom called me. Number 2, you 你 you. For example, 你近排點啊？你近排點啊？你 you 近排 recently 點 how 你近排點啊？ How's going? 你想出去啊？你想出去啊？你 you 想 want 出去 go out 啊？你想出去啊？ Do you want to go out?
No! God, please, no!
Number 3, it's quite easy. He, him, she, her, it. All of them, we call them 佢 For example, 佢話唔去喎，佢話唔去喎，佢 he or she or it 話 say 唔去 don't go 喎，佢話唔去喎， she said she doesn't want to go. And for their plural forms, actually it's quite easy. We just add they. For example, we or us. 我哋 we or us. 我哋鍾意食菠蘿 我哋鍾意食菠蘿 我哋 we 鍾意 like 食 eat 菠蘿我哋鍾意食菠蘿 We like to eat pineapples. And the plural forms for you, 你哋 you. For example, 你哋係學生 你哋 you 係 are 學生 students 你哋係學生 You are students. And they 佢哋 they 喺中國 they 喺 are in 中國 China 佢哋喺中國 They are in China. So that's it. That's what we learned today. Personal pronouns in Cantonese are very easy. We just need to remember 4 of them. 我 你 佢 and they. I hope that you have already learned a lot from today's video. And if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 𝙤𝙤𝙪𝙖𝙬𝙪, and don't forget to give me a big thumb up. See you next time. Bye bye.